Hello everyone, this is my review of Nutribullet O's Keto ACV Gummies. These gummies have real apple cider with a bold tart apple cherry flavor. The flavor packs a punch. It's a crisp, not mild, take on traditional ACV taste. Convenient ACV delivery and tasty gummies that are gluten-free, non-GMO, gelatin-free, and contain a little sugar that might add up over time. I use these gummies to supplement my diet. They suppress my hunger and worked well. These Nutribullet O's Keto ACV Gummies are a handy, flavorful way to consume ACV throughout the day. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.